Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be a quick video. What I'm going to show you is the bumper reflectors. You can see that on the right side. There's a reflector there in the rear bumper. This one is missing. It was broken and then eventually it just fell out. There is an easy solution for these. You can get these. You can buy them in pairs. You can buy them per side, whatever you need. Easy replacement. This is how they come. There's a clip up top. That's what locks it in. 2 pins at the bottom. You're just going to hold it. And you'll hear that lock in once it's pushed in like that. And that's it. That changes the whole thing. Again, you might want a replacement pairs if both of yours are faded or cracked. Seems to fit good. Now there are other options. You can get these lighted. These are just reflectors is all they are in the back of these trucks. You can have them lighted. They come with LEDs. You'd have to obviously wire it in with your tail lights to get those lighted up. But these work perfect. Thanks for watching.